Alright, we have an Audioqubed 2200.1 monoblock amp. Again, ordered locally. Live in Oklahoma, Oklahoma City. Audioqubed. Ordered it yesterday, 1:50 p.m. Got it today on UPS, 10:30 a.m. Shipping weight was 22 pounds. Feels like it's all there. This is going to be running on that 18-inch Audioqubed. 2-ohm sub. So it's stable in 4-ohm and 1-ohm. 4-ohm 770 watts RMS, 1-ohm is 2200. Get this with it here, the owner's manual. All the information in it. This amp and other amps that they carry. And also has a QC certificate. Everything's been tested on it. Actual test measurements, crossover accuracy, frequency response, protection, quiet turn on and off, exterior finish, and lifetime testing. Passed everything. This bottom compartment, you've got your remote wire for your bass knob. This in here, got your Allen wrenches, different sizes. Secure your speaker wire. Here we have the bass knob. On this particular one, it has power light and clipping light. You can tell if your subs are clipping. There's the actual amp. It is all there. Just connectors there. Connectors, 0 gauge for the power and ground. Select up to possibly 10 gauge on the remote and speaker wires. That's it. Audioqubed 2200.1. 4-ohm, 1-ohm stable, 770 watts, 4-ohm, 2200 watts, 1-ohm RMS. And you can strap it to another 2200 and get your 4400 at 2-ohm. Alrighty.